As you're aware, I am connected to all of you from our studios in Noida, which is Delhi NCR. And the air here is growing thick, not just with smog, viewers, but with the predictable and, dare I say, sanctimonious chorus of the ecosystem's favorite pastime. What is that pastime? It is Diwali bashing. Every year, almost like clockwork, a well-oiled toolkit gets active to pin Delhi's pollution crisis squarely on one Hindu festival. But when you look closer, when you decode this narrative, what you find is not science or reason, but pure prejudice, viewers. And tonight I'm calling it out for what it is. A selective, insidious campaign that is as lethal to our social fabric as pollution is to our lungs. Let's start with the absurdity of the claim. Diwali, a one-day festival or a two-day festival, is somehow the villain of Delhi's air quality crisis. Never mind that the AQI in Delhi hovers in the severe category for weeks before and after Diwali. Never mind that farm fires in Punjab and Haryana blanket the capital in toxic haze for months. According to the Central Pollution Control Board, stubble burning contributes to 40% of Delhi's PM 2.5 levels during peak season. Firecrackers, on the other hand, their contribution is estimated at a fraction less than 10% on Diwali night. That goes away within days. But the ecosystem answers clean chit to farm fires, industrial emissions, vehicular traffic pollution, because it's easier to vilify a Hindu festival, viewers, than to tackle systemic issues that require real governance. And then there's the bizarre Bakrid argument by one TMC MP. It's a pattern of treating Hindu festivals as punching bags, viewers. For Holi, they say this is about water wastage. Jallikattu is animal cruelty for them. Then they say Karwa Chauth is regressive, ignoring the agency of millions of women who choose to fast out of love and tradition. Every Hindu festival, it seems, is a problem, every ritual a crime for this ecosystem. But when it comes to other communities, the ecosystem's moral compass, if there is one, suddenly goes on a holiday. So don't get bogged down, viewers, by this ecosystem ambush. Celebrate Diwali with pride, light a diya, burst a cracker if you want to, but call out this prejudice for what it is, a pollution of the mind, more toxic than any smog. Let's demand solutions based on logic, science and fairness. That's all. Abdul Razak Khan joins the panel. Siddharth Sharma, the national spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, also with us. Siddharth Sharma, why is Diwali singled out?
Well, as far as Delhi is concerned, Diwali, not just Diwali is singled out. It looks like for the BJP ecosystem of late, Taliban अच्छा है, ट्रंप का टैरिफ भी अच्छा है, पाकिस्तान के साथ क्रिकेट भी अच्छा है, अब तो पोल्यूशन भी बहुत अच्छा है, सिर्फ आम आदमी बुरा है. क्योंकि one of the Delhi leaders today very clearly, categorically said that the blame squarely lies at the altar of the people. So my question is, when Supreme Court clearly permitted only smoke-free green crackers, how come so much smoke in Delhi on Diwali that it literally became Vishwaguru in pollution? Will the BJP answer what was their winter action plan for Delhi? Will they answer why they made artificial rain in pristine Pondicherry today when it was needed in the gas chamber called Delhi? This is the Delhi Chief Minister, Honorable Delhi Chief Minister's tweet that I am showing. The question she asked, that this question needs to be answered by the BJP spokesperson on Delhi pollution. मेरा शहर गल रहा है, धुआं ही धुआं है हवाओं में, न जाने क्या जल रहा है, जहर ही जहर है फिजाओं में, इतना जहर कौन उगल रहा है? This is not my question. This is the question on pollution by the Honorable Delhi Chief Minister. Now, with the Prime Minister himself visiting flood-affected Punjab not just a few weeks ago, there is no way any parali was left to make this smoke from Punjab. Today, Punjab AQI of Ludhiana is less than 100, while Delhi it is supposedly between 400 to 1000 depending upon what kind of meter you see.
Okay.
So with Punjabi farmers quitting smoking, BJP has to answer who puffed so much smoke into Delhi and why did BJP not prevent it? After all, BJP has been winning on the plank of national security.
Okay.
So
we'll
how
get
come
that,
people's lungs
get
are
that
getting
response
damaged?
from Sanju Verma, but Abdul Razak Khan, I'm sure you're aware of this, post by Saket Gokhale. वो उसमें बोल रहे हैं बकरीद में इतना AQI नहीं होता है। ये हिंदू फेस्टिवल से क्या प्रॉब्लम है सर?
बिल्कुल बकरीद में कोई पटाखे नहीं उड़ाए जाते। सर हिंदू फेस्टिवल सिर्फ आप दिवाली की बात कर रहे हैं, कौन सा ऐसा आपका त्योहार है जिसके अंदर पोल्यूशन नहीं होता? आप होली मनाते हैं, कलर्स, केमिकल्स, एयर पोल्यूशन, वाटर पोल्यूशन। आप गणेश चतुर्थी मनाते हैं, उसके अंदर आप जो गणेशा यूज करते हैं वो पीओपी का गणेशा होता है। उसके साथ में आप दुर्गा पूजा ले लो, आपका हर त्योहार इधर एयर पोल्यूशन, नॉइस पोल्यूशन, वाटर पोल्यूशन और सॉइल पोल्यूशन। सर कुंभ मेला जो मनाया गया था उसके अंदर ह्यूमन वेस्ट, सर फ्लावर ऑफरिंग्स जो प्लास्टिक के यूज किए थे, ऑल दोस काइंड ऑफ वेस्ट वेर डाइवर्टेड, सोप्स, डिटर्जेंट्स, दे वर डाइवर्टेड टू द रिवर्स. The rivers were not fit for drinking. You not only disturbed human life, but aquatic life, birds, pet animals, wildlife को तक disturb कर दे रहे हैं.
Okay.
Pranish ji, I am not talking about Hindu festivals. I am talking about the way they are being celebrated. क्या जरूरत थी इतने सारे
जो बोलना था बोल चुके हैं, अब डैमेज कंट्रोल मत कीजिए अब्दुल रजाक खान. इट्स ओके ना. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन.
No, this is absolute sickening Hindu phobia when this gentleman, who is an Islamist by the way, hardcore Islamist, is talking about आपके फेस्टिवल ये करते हैं, मैंने मान लिया. आप मुझे ये इनसे एक सीधा सवाल पूछिए, is the way in which Islamic festivals are celebrated contributing to pollution in India? Yes or no?
What pollution? What pollution?
Asking you, are they contributing to pollution in India? Yes or no?
सर आपका एक फेस्टिवल बताओ जिसमें पोल्यूशन नहीं होता. कांवड़
अरे
यात्रा
आपने
जाती
सवाल
है तो
पूछा
चीजें
है.
करते हैं आप. नॉइस पोल्यूशन.
आपसे सवाल पूछा है, आप
आपका
आंसर
हर
करिए.
त्योहार, आपके हर त्योहार में आप पोल्यूशन करके सिर्फ इंसानों को नहीं, पक्षी प्राणी को भी आप तकलीफ पहुंचाते हैं.
अब्दुल रजाक खान, त्योहारों तक क्यों जा रहे हैं? तो डेली लाइफ में लाउड स्पीकर बज रहा है, उसमें भी पोल्यूशन होता है ना. नॉट जस्ट फेस्टिवल, ये तो डेली. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग दैट हैपेंस ऑन अ डेली बेसिस.
1 मिनट के लिए अजान होती है सर, 1 मिनट के लिए अजान होती है, उसके अंदर कोई पोल्यूशन नहीं, वो भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट गिवन गाइडलाइंस के अंदर. लेकिन आप डीजे का इस्तेमाल बताइए.
अच्छा एक बात बताइए, एनिमल वेस्ट जो होता है सर, एनिमल वेस्ट वो कहां जाता है? इवेपोरेट हो जाता है.
इट इज गुड फॉर सॉइल, इट इज गुड फॉर सॉइल, इट इज गुड फॉर कल्टीवेशन ऑफ.
डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, व्हाई डोंट यू कॉल हिम टू योर लैब?
हाँ, नहीं, मैं वही कह रहा हूं ना, ये 1 मिनट के पोल्यूशन में 1 मिनट में तो बिस्मिल्लाह रहमान रहीम करके हलाल भी हो जाता है बकरा. तो 1 मिनट का पोल्यूशन नहीं है. पोल्यूशन इनका ये है कि अगर गणेश जी की आपने मूर्ति बनाई वो पोल्यूशन है, अगर आपने गंगा में स्नान कर लिया वो तो ऐसे इस्लाम. इट्स दे, आई कांट रिफॉर्म देम. इट्स ओके, इट्स फाइन. आई डोंट केयर अबाउट हिज व्यूज बिकॉज दे आर हिंदू फोबिक. आई वांट टू आस्क अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन because the debate was obviously, veered away by this person. The fact of the matter is an AQI of 30 is considered safe. In Delhi, it touched 418. Yesterday morning, before the bursting of firecrackers. Shall I repeat it? In Delhi, the AQI touched 418 yesterday morning.
Siddharth Sharma, I'll come to you, you answer that. But Sanju Verma, you see, the opposition, the ecosystem is saying it's because of Diwali and the blame lies with the BJP because you are promoting the firecrackers.
Pranesh, I, with no offense to you, believe that the BJP needs time on your debates because the allegations are against BJP. Much as I think Mr. Ranganathan makes solid points, please have me rebut some of these.
One minute. Sanju Verma, 1 minute. Now, don't take it personally because you keep saying that everything in this world is not about BJP. There are other things also. So there is a world beyond the BJP. 1 minute. There is science, there is logic, there is common sense, many other things. Now, go on.
Let me come in, Pranesh. Yes, there is science, there is logic, there is common sense, and that is why I am saying give me time, because Sanju Verma speaks with common sense and logic and data. And she's from BJP, Pranesh. No offense to you. Okay. Now let me say one thing. I've got some data. Pranesh, it says that one packet of cigarettes has a carbon footprint of 350 grams equivalent. 1 kg of goat meat has carbon footprint of 23.8 kg CO2 equivalent. 1 kg of beef, cow meat, leaves a carbon footprint of 46.2 kg equivalent. 1 packet of the most vicious firecrackers emitting noise, pollution, etc. has less than 100 grams of CO2 equivalent in terms of carbon footprint. अब प्रणेश जी एक बात सुनिए बड़े ध्यान से, जो लोग दिन में 10 सिगरेट के पैकेट्स फूंकते हैं, they start their breakfast with a chicken tikka sandwich. In lunch they have mutton keema pulao, paya soup, and they end their dinner with lamb chops and chicken biryani. This is the lot which is actually talking of carbon footprint, pollution, and saying कि दिवाली के दौरान AQI 400 हो जाता है, 500 हो जाता है. अरे भाई साहब, बकरी ईद के दौरान क्या होता है? During Christmas, 120 million, as in 12 crore trees are cut in the United States alone. Right. And you need 8 trees to provide oxygen for one individual.
Nikhil, how do you see this debate? Because, the commentary on social media, and I, read some posts that said, when Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya, there was no concept of firecrackers.
So Pranesh, first of all, happy Diwali to all your viewers and to you. Secondly, I don't think Diwali is a Hindu festival. Diwali is a cultural festival in India. Over the past 2 days, I've had over 100 calls, many with Hindus, many with Jains, many with Christians, many with Sikhs, and many with Muslims, and pretty much every single person has either wished me happy Diwali or I have wished them happy Diwali. It is a cultural festival. And nobody is going around bashing Diwali. We all love to celebrate it. We do our pujas, we light up diyas, we do our Diwali parties and all of that. The problem is with bursting firecrackers in a city that is already a gas chamber. Now Sanju Verma went around telling the carbon footprint of different things. First of all, I doubt her figures, but even for a moment, assuming that they are correct, the air quality index does not include CO2 emissions. The problem with bursting firecrackers, just the bursting of firecrackers wherever, for whatever the reason they are bursted, is the kind of things that are emitted from firecrackers. PM10.
No, 1 minute. Everybody is aware of that. But it's not just on Diwali that, firecrackers are used. When if Congress wins an election, or even if you don't win an election, Ajay Rai, उन्होंने तो ढोल ताशा firecrackers सब use कर लिया था. Now tell him, is he from the Congress party or is he also, some non-entity? And Dr. Ranganathan, I'm intrigued. Diwali is not a Hindu festival. And this is not Nikhil Jain.
Yeah, no, this is wrong on Gen Z, if I can say it. He was right in saying it's celebrated by all Indians, all right-thinking Indians celebrate it. I don't know whether Abdul Razak celebrates or not, that's another matter. But it is a Hindu festival that is celebrated by all. So kindly correct a little bit about what your claim. Tomorrow you will say yoga is also not Hindu because everyone does it. Don't say that. Everyone does it, but yoga is Hindu. You can say that. Or will your high command prohibit you to say that?
Yeah, just like temples are not Hindus, they are state properties. Whereas Diwali is not Hindu festival. Nikhil, what does one say? Well, I am also surprised that you waited for the second debate to wish people happy Diwali. पहले में कर देते यार, कोई बात नहीं. But it's okay. I thank all of you for joining us. The news hour with Navika Kumar on the other side.